Hey everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we're going to be diving in deep to the 2003 Ford Taurus Serpentine belt diagram so we can get your vehicle back on the road without breaking the bank. Let's dive in, guys. Serpentine belt side of the engine. We're going to make this pretty easy for ourselves. First of all, guys, if this video is beneficial to you, please make sure you hit the subscribe down below, smash the like button, and if you have any questions about anything on the repair, make sure you hit me up in the comment section down below. I love actually answering your guys' comments and questions when they do come up. So hey, supporting the channel, I love just seeing someone subscribe to the channel. It means I'm doing a good job with the videos and you guys are finding them beneficial, so it makes me feel good. Alright, so we're going to make it easy on ourselves. I got some needle nose pliers. I got to take this side apart anyways, but to get this serpentine belt, usually you just take your 15 millimeter and if you're not using a serpentine belt tool, take your 15 millimeter, take your, another wrench, double stack them just like that. You guys see that? Okay. And you're just going to put it on the bolt and move it. Okay. I'll show you that in just a second. But a really easy way to actually access it instead of fighting it all the way down and seeing how the hell you're going to actually access it and then dropping your wrench a million times and, chasing back and forth to get your magnet and everything. Take some needle nose pliers, take these hoses off your coolant reservoir. Okay, yes, if it is full, that sucks. Don't do it then. Okay, don't take your coolant reservoir off. But if your coolant's already low and you need to switch it out anyways, hey, take it off and make your life easier. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright, you got the two coolant lines here at the top, and you got coolant line which goes to your radiator here at the bottom. Okay, just get that puppy off. She's a biggin'. But this will make it a little bit easier. If you do have the serpentine belt tool and your bolt's not messed up, then use use the serpentine belt tool. Make your life a little bit easier. 1 second. I'm gonna grab a flathead. There we go. Flathead, pry bar, whatever. And what's happening is you got a seal on this this line, and these rubber lines can be quite fun to take off sometimes, but as I said, I have to have it off anyways. This Taurus is giving me problems all over again, and it's crazy when someone says, "Hey, this is what I like doing with my time." I fight mechanical problems. All right, coolant tank's off. So get that out of the way. Get the 14 and the 15 millimeter. I'm going to put the 15 right on there with the closed end. Okay. As I said, the thing's a little messed up. Alright. Go ahead. Move it out of the way. There we go. Alright. You're going to bring it to the right. You know what? Let me bring you guys over here, huh? Check this out. All right. There we go. Bring it in. Bring it in. Oh, yeah. There we go. That's the spot. All right, you guys see okay now? All right, so we're going to take the 14 and the 15 millimeter right there, and we're going to take it and we're going to go to the right. Okay, you see how the belt loosens, all right, and your tensioner moves to the left. All you're going to do now, ooh, let me reset that before it pops on me. There we go. All right, you want to make sure that that's actually seated nicely on there. But go ahead and just take it right off that smooth roller right there, and that's it. Okay, you got that out. Move your wrenches over to the side, and you're just gonna slowly take it off the rest of these pulleys. Okay, yes, some of it you can't reach, so this pry bar is going to come in handy, because you just take the pry bar and slowly work it off all of them. Okay, guys, right in the upper right hand corner, that corner right there, my left, your right, I'm going to go ahead and throw the link to the 2003 Ford Taurus belt diagram video, so you guys know how to throw it back on and actually have that diagram. For some reason, I looked all over this car, and Ford didn't want you to know the diagram, I guess. They just decided not to put it on the car. So thank you, Ford, for that. You make all of our lives great. And let's go and get the rest of this belt off. Looks like we're stuck around that bottom crank pulley, and it wants to get caught right here. There we go. All right, belt is out, guys. And there you go. Your serpentine belt is now out of your 2003 Ford Taurus. Now, this does work for all 2000 to 2007 Ford Tauruses. This is the 3.0 V6 in the Ford Taurus. And that's it. I'm going to throw the link for the belt diagram. That's weird. Can't talk this morning. Belt diagram. And in the upper right hand corner. Again, if you found the video to be beneficial to your problem and removing your serpentine belt, hey, make sure you hit subscribe, smash the like button. It always shows me a little love. So thank you so much, guys. And until next time, keep on wrenching, guys. Take care.